At LoCoMoGo, we believe that every child should have the opportunity to learn coding. But above all, that a child should have fun. This is Rosie. She's getting our LoCoMoGo train that teaches children how to code through play. Starting with basic code logic when kids are 4 years old, entirely screenless. It all begins by placing tape on any surface, and the intelligent locomotive will follow the line. Making a track was never easier. Later on, the children can add the color car, which reacts to different colors of tape. Blue gives light, green accelerates, and so on. When the children are a little older, they can use our app to change functions themselves. It develops their skills over the years until they are true code masters when they are 9 to 12 years old, all while playing. At LoCoMoGo, we are setting you up for the future, just like Rosie, who is now all grown up and has created her success from coding.
We started LoCoMoGo out of the belief that every child should have the opportunity to learn coding through play. With coding, you're able to create and build wonderful things that benefit all of us. However, we can't reach this destination without you. So that's why we hope you will join us in making a difference. No matter how much you will pledge, you are contributing to educating the next generation through joy and laughter. So please, consider hopping on board and help us put the kids of today on the right track towards tomorrow.